You can see his hand. Wait, wait, wait. Oh my. Hot box.
How you doing there?
Here, turn off and just like turn it. That's all. You don't need it. You don't need to turn on. Don't worry. Yeah. Oh my. Oh my. It's crazy, eh? Just choking. He's getting like 2 pictures.
It's on video, but
How you doing?
dang, this is tripped out, yo.
Watch it leave. Watch it all go out of the car. Watch it all come out of the car on my side.
Okay.
See?
I did not see nothing, dude. This is tripped out, yo.
Let me see it. Look at this.
Woo!
Here, Bennett. Here.
Oh.
Here, boy. Here, boy.
Puppy money hat.
Yeah.
Hey.
There you are, boy. Good.
Shit, eh?
Here, take it.
Ah!
Still videotaping.
Sorry about that.
And then it's like gets so muffled in camera and you like hear it.
I couldn't see.
It feels like you're like muffled under something, man.
Yeah. What? You don't have your. Whoa, dude! There's like 0 oxygen in here almost. Where are you?
I'm right here, dude. Can you come right close?
I'm right here.
Dude, I can just see me. What's your face?
I get. No. Whoa. I'm half an inch away from his face. I can't even see him, man. No.
Take this, all the windows.
Yeah, open up all these windows, man.
Looks like
Yeah, man.
We deep on the outside. Get some pictures.
What? The windows aren't working here. Oh, can you turn lock off?
Videotape it when you open the windows, okay?
There.
Hit it like another like 5 minutes.
Hello, chump.
Oh yeah, let's...
Hey, pup. Hey,
Let's get out of the car.
I don't know.
Yeah, hold on.
You gotta wait a minute. Hey, bud. How you doing, bud? You ready? See you guys.
Bye.
Hey, look. Wow, look at all that. You totally like fogged up the whole neighborhood. You be funny? Wouldn't it be funny though? If you did it somebody like somebody's window was kind of open and he went at night and filled their house with it.
Oh, that'd be hilarious. That'd be sad.
What the heck?